How are you students? In this video, you will learn about fractions. This is chapter 6 of class 5. The topic is understanding fractions. Understanding fractions. So the question is, what is a fraction? Simply we can say fraction is a part of whole. Means suppose you have one piece of chapati, okay, anything. Suppose you have one piece of chocolate, so take chocolate, okay. Suppose you have a piece of chocolate, suppose it is a Kit Kat, okay. Now your younger brother or sister wants half of it, so you will break it in two pieces and you will give half of it to your brother or sister, whatever. Now the concept of fraction is कि आपने पूरी चॉकलेट में से हाफ अपने छोटे ब्रदर को दिया, तो ये जो पार्ट है, दिस इज अ पार्ट, ओके, दिस इज अ पार्ट एंड दिस इज होल. सो इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ होल. मीन्स कोई बहुत बड़ी एक चीज है, उसके आपने कुछ पीस कर दिए, इक्वल पीस, तो वो जो पीस होते हैं उनको हम उस होल जो थिंग है उसका फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं. सो इट इज अ पार्ट एंड यू कैन सी दैट द पार्ट इज ऑलवेज लेस देन द होल बिकॉज इट इज अ पीस. तो आपने इसके टू इक्वल पीसेस किए, तो इस फ्रैक्शन को हम क्या कहेंगे? सी, you have made two pieces, okay, you have divided this, you have cut this chocolate into two equal pieces and given one of the pieces to your brother. This is the fraction. Again see, आपने इस चॉकलेट के टोटल टू पीस किए, so write 2 below this line and you have given one piece to your brother, write 1. This number which is upside is called numerator. This is called numerator and this is called denominator. Okay, so 1 upon 2, you can say it is 1 upon 2 or it is half. See again, suppose you want to divide this chocolate into 4 equal pieces, 1 2 3, then you can see that it is equally divided into 4 parts. Suppose you have given this piece to your younger brother, आपने ये पीस अपने छोटे भाई को दिया, तो आपने टोटल कितने पीसेस में से कितने पीस दिए? सी, देयर आर टोटल 4 equal pieces. You have divided, you have cut this chocolate into 4 equal parts, so there are 4 parts and you are selecting one, you are giving this one part to your brother, 1. So the fraction is 1 by 4. तो इस पार्ट को आप क्या कहेंगे? It is 1/4. 1 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. Okay students, so this is the concept of fraction. Now there are few types of fractions such as proper fraction, improper fraction. I am going to explain the idea. If numerator is less than denominator, then it is called proper fraction. For example, 7 upon 8, numerator is smaller than denominator, but if numerator is greater than denominator, it is called improper fraction. For example, just 8 upon 7, कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, 10 upon 9 और 25 upon 7, ठीक है. तो जब भी ये केस होगा तो ये improper fraction होगा. Now you have to study page number 43. This is page number 43 and diagrammatically it is shown what is the meaning of fractions. तो इस डायग्राम से आप बहुत easily समझ सकते हैं. This also, okay. Now I am going to solve the questions and that time I will tell you the concepts also one by one. See, first question, See the following distributions and state the relation between both with the help of symbols. You have to use the symbol greater than, less than or equal. So these symbols are used to find the relation between fractions. Okay students, means it is greater than, less than or equal. So first part 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. See, denominators are same, then the fraction with bigger numerator is bigger and the fraction with smaller numerator is smaller. देखो डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, इट इज 1 एंड इट इज 3, तो बिगर न्यूमरेटर 3 है तो फ्रैक्शन भी बिगर होगा. ओके, एंड अनदर मेथड इज जस्ट यूज द मेथड ऑफ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. आपको 1 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सी ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करना, 1 इंटू 4 एंड 4 इंटू 3. सी 1 4 जा 4 and on right side it is 4 3 जा 12, which is bigger, the number on right side, so this fraction is bigger. This is another method to tell if a fraction is bigger or smaller. Okay, next is second part. Simply 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 both are equal. It is easy. 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. So you can make the diagram, then you can just, or you can use the cross multiplication. So 1 2 ja 2 and 3 1 ja 3. Right hand side number is bigger, it means the number is bigger. And I omit fourth part, you will solve it. Okay, note it down. Question number 2. Write the following fractions in the form of distribution. Okay, distribution means using the diagrams as given in your book. You have to make these types of diagrams on page number 43. So you have to study page number 43 and 44. Question number 2 is, so first is 1 upon 5. What you have to do is just draw circle and make 5 equal parts of each of this. Okay, so 5 parts कैसे बनाएंगे हम? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, not exactly, आपको जरूरी नहीं है कि इसको मैं exactly बनाएं, because it is not geometry, but ये equal होने चाहिए. जब हम इसको देखें तो हमें लगना चाहिए कि equal है. Okay, see, it is 5, denominator is 5, means divide this whole circle into 5 parts and numerator is 1, so shed any one part. एक पार्ट आपको शेडेड करना है. नाउ इट इज 1 upon 5. So it is first part, then second part. It's interesting, 13 upon 6. Now this is an improper fraction because numerator is bigger. So convert it into mixed fraction. कैसे करेंगे? Listen. Divide 13 by 6. 6 2 जा 12. Remainder is 1. तो ये 2 है और ये फ्रैक्शन होगा 1 upon 6. 1 will be the numerator and 6 will be the denominator. Listen, 6 ऊपर है 1 नीचे है, जस्ट अपोजिट करना है, 1 को ऊपर और 6 को नीचे कर देना है और इस तरह से हम इसको लिखेंगे 2 and 1 upon 6. So we can write it is equal to 2 and 1 upon 6. Okay, now it is a mixed fraction because 2 is a whole number and 1 upon 6 is a fraction, so it is a mixture, that's why it is called mixed fraction. अब हम इसको कैसे कहेंगे? 2 means complete 2 parts, 1 and 2, then it is 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 6 means it is 6. Listen, इस 2 का मतलब क्या है, ये 2 कंप्लीट पार्ट है, ओके, 2 होल थिंग्स। 1/6 को हम इस फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। सो दिस इज 6, मेक 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स, 1 2 and 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 equal parts. Somehow it should look that all the parts are equal, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we are selecting 1. These are the total number of parts and we are selecting 1. So कोई भी एक पार्ट आपको शेडेड कर देना है. Now it is 2 and 1/6. Students, note it down. And I solve either 1, 3/2, third part. Three upon 2. Now it is a mixed fraction because numerator is bigger. So divide this and convert it as, sorry, this is an improper fraction and convert it into mixed fraction. See, this is whole number, this is fraction. So इस 1 का मतलब क्या होगा, complete means we are selecting the whole, and 1/2 means divide the circle into 2 equal parts, okay, and select either one. So this is equal to 1.5, okay. So I hope you understood the concept of fractions. What is a fraction? Part of whole. Suppose it is a marker. If I break it into 2 pieces, then each one will be the part of this. अगर मैं इसको 2 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करूं तो जो दोनों पार्ट होंगे वो हाफ और हाफ हो गए. अगर इसमें इसको 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करूं तो 1/3, ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड 1/3, 1/3 और 1/3 होंगे. अल्टीमेटली अ फ्रैक्शन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ होल. तो फ्रैक्शन होल से कम होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन बिकॉज न्यूमरेटर इज बिगर देन डिनोमिनेटर. तो इसको हम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. मिक्स्ड, हम इसको मिक्स्ड क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि इसमें 2 अलग अलग टाइप्स के नंबर मिक्स हैं. ये होल नंबर है और ये एक फ्रैक्शन है. तो होल नंबर के लिए हम एक होल पूरा कंप्लीट सर्कल है उसको सेलेक्ट करते हैं और फ्रैक्शन में हम उसका एक पार्ट सेलेक्ट करते हैं. ओके, आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट and try to solve those parts which I missed in this video. Best of luck.